Hi folks, my name is Anara and I welcome you to this HTML tutorial. So today we'll have an introduction to HTML. So by not wasting any time, let's get started. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML element tell the browser how to display the content. HTML is the code that is used to structure a web page and its content. So let's understand this basic structure of HTML, where the .html declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the page tab. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all visible content such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. Now there might be a question rising into your mind. What is an HTML element? Well, an HTML element is defined by a start tag with some content in between, then the end tag. So now let's start coding. Let's learn HTML using Notepad. Web pages can be created and modified using professional HTML editors. However, for learning HTML, I recommend you a simple text editor like Notepad. I believe that using a simple text editor is a good way to learn HTML. So now let's open our Notepad. So now I'm opening my Notepad. And now we'll be typing the basic structure of HTML. So here we go. This is my doctype HTML. This is my opening tag of HTML. This is my opening tag of the head section. This is my opening tag of the title. This is my closing tag of the title. This is my closing tag of the head section. And now this is my opening tag of the body section. This is my closing tag of the body section. And this is my closing tag of HTML. Now to save an HTML file, we need to add an extension of .html. So to save a file, I'm pressing Ctrl plus S. Ctrl S. And now we'll be selecting a location. So I'm selecting desktop. Here I'm creating a folder with the name of class. I'm saving my file with the name of index and by adding the extension of .html. And now we'll be adding some code to test a file. So I'm adding some code in the title. So I'm typing as my first page. And now I'm typing the paragraph tag. Paragraphs are defined with this p tag. So basically, this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. And now in between, we'll be typing the content. So the content I'm typing is my first paragraph. And whenever you make a change, you need to save the file. So every time when you make a change and when you need to run your file in browser, you need to press Ctrl S. And now to check my file, to test my file, I'm opening this file in browser. So we'll be opening a file here. This is my class folder. And here I'll be right clicking and open with Google. So basically, the title of the page, which was my first paragraph, reflects over here. And this my first paragraph, the paragraph tag, the content I have put in paragraph tag is displaying here. Okay, so that's all for today's class. We'll meet soon on the next class, which will be on HTML elements and attributes. Thank you.